Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install WhatsApp on any Android tablet. Alright, let's begin. I am demonstrating this on my mobile device, but you can follow along on your tablet. The process is same. First, tap and hold your browser icon, in my case Chrome, then select App Info. Scroll down, find Install Apps from Unknown Sources, and enable it. This allows you to install apps outside the Play Store. Next, open a browser on your tablet and go to whatsapp.com/Android. Download the official WhatsApp APK file from the website. Once the download finishes, open the file and tap Install. This bypasses the Play Store compatibility error that prevents installation on some tablets. After installation completes, launch WhatsApp and enjoy chatting. So, that's basically how you can install WhatsApp on any Android tablet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.